Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have another Fashom. This is a clothing styling service. It has a styling fee of $15, but that is applied to whatever you purchase. Fashom has this thing where they send you a preview and you can either choose to pick your things or you can choose to ignore it. Depends on if you like the surprise aspect, but they usually send you a range of about 7 items and then you get to pick 5 that you want to get sent to you, or like I said, it could just all be a surprise. There is a playlist down below full of Fashom. I believe this is either my 6th or my 7th box. Fashom is sent to me for review, but I am always honest on how I feel the clothes fit and how they look. I do have an affiliate link down below if you'd like to sign up using that. It does give you, I think, $10 off of your first Fashom. I don't think that's changed. If it has changed, I'll make a note of that. But let's get into Fashom. All right, so you open it up and you have an envelope that says thank you, and it says hello beautiful, and on the back it says thank you, and it gives you instructions on how it works. You get this little card. I'll take a picture, put it up. It just gives you instructions on how to work your box as far as trying things on, sending it back, putting it in the mail, blah, blah, blah. That's all right here. And then you get your invoice and it tells you what you have, how much it costs. And the great thing with Fashom, yep, it says right here. See, I was right. Refer a friend, enjoy $10 Fashom credit. That goes for everybody across the board. Whoever has a Fashom, they get that. The great thing about Fashom is that if you keep 3 or 4 items, then you get a 25% discount. If you keep all 5, you get 30%. I have never heard of a clothing subscription box doing that before, and I think that that's great. You get a return bag with a return shipping label. Anything you don't keep, you just put in the bag and throw back in the mail, and then you get your bundle. So this time I did ask for a mixture of comfort items for just lounging or going for car rides or whatever, and then I did ask for a date night dress just in case we're able to get out and go to dinner on my birthday. But let's get into it. First up we have Marquia cutout V-neck top in a small and olive by 20 seconds for $43. We also have the Gilly Jody contrast joggers in black in a size 4 for $48. I like the way the pants fit. I think that they're a great length. They are comfortable. They are soft. I do like how they have the animal print band around the top. I think that that is a cute little detail. And it has nice little pockets, and it has this tie thing. The shirt really isn't my thing. It is really soft. I do like the pattern. I'm just not sure of these colors on me. And I'm not really a huge fan of these little cutout sort of a things. And this I'm not entirely sure of. I feel like this makes me look fatter than I already am. I just feel like it widens the waist, so that's it. Pants are maybe, the top is going to be a no. Next we have the drawstring slim leg jogger pants in a medium and rust. The brand is 151 Jeans for $39. And next up we have white birch Stella waffle knit top in a small and olive for $38. I actually really like both these pants and this sweater. I love how the sweater has a wide neck and it has wide arms. I like loose fitting clothes, especially when they're long sleeved. I do love the two-tone. This sweater is so soft, and olive is my color. And I do really like these pants. They're nice, they're lightweight, they have pockets, they have a tie in the front, but these are really, I don't know, they just feel like they're maybe even like 100% cotton. I would have to look on the tag to be sure of that, but they are so, what's the word I'm looking for? Airy. Last but not least, we have the polka dot shift dress in a medium vintage salmon for $42 by Naked Zebra. I think it's a cute dress. I just don't think it is for me. I do like the vintage style, but I do wish that the V-neck was cut a little lower, and it is too tight across my bust. I do like the fact that it has pockets. I think that's cute. Again, I do like the vintage color. I'm just not 100% sold on the V-neck, how it fits across the bust, and also not sure about salmon. I'm gonna have to say that this is probably a no. Okay, you guys, so that was Fashom. I really enjoyed trying on this box. I will stick up in the corners the items that I decided to keep. Don't forget there is a playlist of 6 or 7 Fashoms down below that have all kinds of information. I really think that Fashom is a great clothing styling service, mainly because the discount is the best discount that any box subscription has ever offered that I'm aware of. And I don't know, I just think that that's a really great aspect of it. There's other information down below if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.